Okay, now that we have our post-sale world-class client experience routine built, we can go ahead and start connecting the pieces. Now, how we are going to be driving additional commissions into your business is something that we call affiliate programs. Now, if you're not familiar with affiliate programs, these are programs that companies offer, and they will basically give you a commission every time you recommend a product from that company and a person purchases it. So this is free money, and it's going to be a really cool way that we can take this post-sale world-class client experience. We can monetize it so that we are receiving commissions while we're also helping our people. Now, what we're going to be using is the Amazon affiliate program. And there are lots of reasons for this, one of which is it's free, it's easy to use, and a lot of people use Amazon. And if for some reason you find this video and people don't use Amazon anymore, that's fine. There are lots of affiliate programs out there. Go ahead and take this concept and apply it widely, right? So we are going to go ahead and we're going to walk through this program. Now, I will note that the application process I already applied for. I wanted to make sure it was completely free for you guys. So I'm going to have to use a couple screenshots that I grabbed along with some of the different windows. So bear with me. We're going to move through this together, and I'm going to show you how to apply for this program. So very first, go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. And if for some reason they've changed the URL and it's not available, you can always go to your favorite search engine and type in Amazon affiliate program. You should be able to find it. Now, right now, what we're going to see is the ability for us to sign up. So we're going to go ahead and click this sign up button. Now, if you don't have an Amazon account yet, you can go ahead and create one. But if you do, go ahead and just sign into it, and you're going to be able to access an application portal. Now, you're going to see that because I have already applied, my information is filled in. I've gone ahead and I blocked it out so that I don't dox myself. But fill in your information, and you are going to go ahead and start this application process. Now, I haven't seen anyone yet who hasn't been accepted into this program, so it should be easy breezy, but they do have an application process nonetheless. Hit continue, and you're going to be met with the website mobile app list. Now, because we're not actually sending our different people via a website to these affiliate links, gets a little tricky, but what I have found, the easiest way for us to get approved is to just add our website or a company's website to this list and go ahead and confirm. Now, before you hit confirm, you do have to note that it is not going to be marketing to someone who is a kiddo. So go ahead and hopefully you're not marketing to kiddos with this one. I don't think 13-year-olds are purchasing homes, but who knows? And then hit confirm. Now, from here, we do need to build what is called an associate store ID. So for this one, I just named it Workflow Secrets. That seemed to make the most sense to me. And then after that, we tell them what the content we create is or what it's going to be doing. And for this, I said we are going to share product suggestions for our clients that would help them with daily household needs. That seems to be pretty efficient at communicating what we're going to be doing. And feel free to either use that or adapt it. And then which of the following best describes your content? It is content or niche website content. So that seemed to fit the best. And then how did you hear about it? They don't have workflow secrets trainings with Cody as an option. So I guess word of mouth will have to work in this case. Now, after that, there is a I'm not a robot security that's just down below this screenshot. But then once you confirm that, congrats. You are successfully applied to this program. Now, a couple things worth noting at this junction. First and foremost, you have 180 days to start using this and start receiving commissions, or they make you reapply. I had to reapply, so it's not a big deal, but it does require a step. And then the other thing worth noting is you do need to fill in and enter your tax information. So make sure that you have your business information and your tax information readily available so that you can get that done, because they can't start sending you commissions until you have that entered. Now, the dashboard that they take you to after this is where you can review, you can look at, and you can see all of the different commissions that you have successfully made. You can start to understand how this is driving additional money into your business. So that's really cool. But let's go ahead and let's finish this process by showing you guys how we grab these specific links that we can start sending them to our people via that routine. So we're going to go to amazon.com. And you are going to notice that you now have a brand new gray bar on the very top of Amazon. Now, what I would encourage you to do for this example, we are going to start searching out these different products, but let's just look at one to understand what it's going to do. So go ahead and type in our best workflow secrets. Now, from here, you're going to see lots of results, but the top one is a book that Mark and I wrote. And if you haven't yet purchased your copy, you definitely should, because this is a real estate agent's guide to success, even in a changing market. But if for some reason you just want to grab the link for now so you can share it with all of your coworkers, you can go ahead and on the top left-hand side, you can see this get link. Now go ahead and click on this get link, and what you're going to see is you have your store ID associated, your tracking ID associated, and then a special link that is custom to your specific Amazon affiliate program. Now, you can have a short link or you can build out the full link. I personally prefer short links. And once we have these short links, we can go ahead and grab these and we can start building out a list of all of the different links that are associated with the different products. For example, we are going to be grabbing some batteries for our smoke detectors and our carbon monoxide filters, right? So go ahead and find the right batteries, find them on Amazon, grab your store link for that specific product, and then store it somewhere else. And once we grab all of our links, we can start building out all of the different pieces that we're going to throw into our specific routine. So from here, that is pretty well the process. And it's easy enough for us to start using this. Now, once we have all these links, we build out the templates. These templates can be used inside the routine. Sam can send them out built into our cadence. And this is going to start immediately driving commissions right into our pockets. And this is really cool. And not only is it going to be driving commissions, the real power of this is it gives us a great, what I'm going to call an excuse. It gives us a great excuse to be communicating with, to be reaching out to our past clients after the sale, things that are actually driving value for them, these world-class client experiences. It's establishing you as the expert in real estate, which is going to create a better, deep relationship. They're not going to forget about us because we're constantly sending them things that are going to be helpful for them. They're going to remember our name when it's time for them to either buy or sell a new home. And they're probably going to be sharing our name when they have someone asks who has a great real estate agent. So this is just an incredible process. I'm really excited for you to successfully build out your post-sale world-class client experience.